The M18 Lockbolt, lightweight, easy to use. You don't have to drag a hose with you.
The smoothness, the satisfaction of it is 100% better than the pneumatic solution.
So when I can do 5 rivets in the same time with the M18 that I can do with 1 pneumatic, that is just going to speed up everything, which in turn efficiency, money, way better.
I can get about twice as much done with the new M18 Lockbolt tool versus the pneumatic one. It's twice as fast.
The M18 Lockbolt saves you a lot of time.
For one battery charge, it would do the whole day of work and then some.
On the M18 Lockbolt gun, we can pull almost the whole day out of 1 battery, 1 charge.
I can get through an entire day's work with using the M18 Lockbolt tool.
Having a cordless one, it works awesome because you can go up the ladder, you can carry the hose with you.
We have been extremely more productive without having to drag 50 feet of hose into the back of a trailer up and down.
The mobility of the cordless tool is 100 times better than the pneumatic one. I can turn it sideways, turn it upside down, get in the tight places that the pneumatic one can't without carrying a hose around. The hose gets in the way a lot with the pneumatic tool. This cordless option, just anywhere you want, right there in your hand.
You don't have to change air hoses, you don't have 2 separate tools. 1 tool does the job for everything.